Spice and herb marinated chicken with delicious coconut and pandan rice that perfumes the air. A spicy and funky sambal, chicken fried crisp, Ikan Bilis and peanuts all spread out on a banana leaf. This is our version of Nasi Lemak.
Selamat petang, Tomodachi.
Welcome back to another episode of Luca's Kitchen,
So today, Nasi Lemak.
the national dish of Malaysia.
Yes, so let's make it.
So first, let's make our Ayam Goreng, or our spicy fried chicken. We're gonna cut up our aromatics first. This is garlic, shallots. We're gonna make sure everything's nice and clean, give them a rough chop. We're gonna move on to our galangal, which is gonna be sliced thinly so that it's easier to pound. Our lemongrass as well. This is so fragrant right now. Some chili for that nice kick that we really like. Let's see if Luca likes any of this. How about a shallot? Maybe not. Now let's pound all of those ingredients together. We have our lemongrass, galangal, shallots, garlic, chilies. Oh, this is such hard work, but it smells great. Here are the chicken thighs for Luca's inspection. And we're using 2 chicken thighs that have been butterflied out to get all of that flavor in. Let's throw it in a plate, add our spice paste, give that a good old mix, and add our salt, as well as our king of flavor, MSG. Give that a nice mix, add our turmeric, cumin and coriander, chili, coconut milk, and again, give that a good mix. We're gonna add some tapioca starch now, just so we get that crispy skin when we fry it up. Next, let's add 1 egg. Oh, look at the color of that yolk. So we're trying to make a thin batter here, so we want it to coat the chicken evenly. And it was a bit thin, so we added a little bit more starch. Now, let's wrap it up, put it in the fridge. Next, we have to wash our rice. And always wash until the water is almost clear. So this is long grain rice. We're gonna add some ginger, shallots, as well as, of course, our pandan leaf. So let's just rip it to shreds, tie it in a few knots, and we can throw it in with the rice when we're cooking. So into the rice cooker everything goes, very easy, very simple. We're gonna top that off with some salt and some white pepper. Now for that rich coconut milk. We're gonna add it to the line because this is a Japanese one where they tell you how much liquid to add. Right up to the line, this is 3 cups of rice. Luca inspection, and time to go in the rice cooker. So while our rice is cooking, let's make our Sambal Tumis Belacan. We're gonna cut up our usual suspects, some garlic, and of course lemongrass, galangal, and then we're gonna add half of a white onion, and these are the shallots, we've peeled them, some fresh chilies, and some dried chilies which are gonna soak in some hot water until they get soft. Once they're soft, squeeze out that extra liquid. Yeah, put some power in there. Slice them up roughly, but keep the liquid. We're gonna start blending with a couple candle nuts thrown in there as well. So this color changes to this beautiful bright orange and fills the room with aroma. But yeah, Luca doesn't seem too sure. Next, let's toast our belacan, wrapping it in foil, and we're just gonna heat it over the stove until our neighbors start to complain. Oh, look at that toasty belacan. Let's add it to our paste and give that a nice blend. Every time we make this, it just smells so good. We're gonna add quite a bit of oil and we're gonna gently stir fry the sambal paste. So we wanna do this until it starts to darken in color a little bit, the flavors mellow out, they sort of get to know each other, and you'll know because it starts to smell a little sweet. We're gonna add some ground Ikan Bilis, a little bit of our chili soaking water, and continue cooking. This is what it should look like after about 15 minutes. We're gonna add our tamarind paste, as well as some palm sugar, which we've dissolved in water. And you just wanna adjust the sweetness and saltiness to your liking, but we like it a little bit salty and spicy. All right, here is our completed sambal. Look at that color change. Oh, so good. Next, let's prepare the chicken. We're gonna season with a little more coconut sugar, tamarind paste, and curry leaves, just for an extra kick of flavor. Now, lots of oil, because we're deep frying stuff here. Drop in your chicken when the oil gets hot enough, and let that gently fry until a nice golden brown. We want this to be crispy, but also cooked through. Next, fry up the Ikan Bilis, and this just takes a really quick time, just until they're slightly golden. Next, let's add our red-skinned peanuts. These also don't take too long. You can confit them, but we don't want to spend too much time frying them. Just until the skin's slightly darkened. Hi, Luca. He knows what's up. Let's take a look at our rice. Oh. Now this smell, this is the smell of Nasi Lemak. It's absolutely fantastic. Next, of course, we need our banana leaf, and Luca got into a little bit of it. So, as usual, we're going to toast it a little bit. Tomodachis have told us not to do this, but this makes it easier to fold, and we're a little bit unsure about our skills, so we're going to make a softer version. So this is what we saw on Auntie Liz's channel, where they sort of fold it into this lovely little parcel that you can carry around. So we're adding all of our condiments, and we're going to try and fold it into this nice pyramid shape. So I'm trying really hard because I've never done this before, but yeah, something like this. Do let us know how we did, Malaysian friends. So this is the main plating. We got our rice, our Ikan Bilis, our peanuts, some sliced cucumber, egg, our Sambal, and of course our Ayam Goreng, that beautiful fried chicken. And there you have it, Luca's Kitchen's Nasi Lemak.
Hey, finish already!
Finally!
Yes, Luca chef.
He's like, I don't know what this food is.
So this is my most favorite Malaysian food.
Oh,
wow.
The rice is much better than the first time we made it.
Yeah, because we changed the rice cooker.
And the sambal, oh, that's spicy, that pungent, like, oh, it's everything that you could ask for.
What a crispy chicken. 5 or 6 hours effort.
So I can't imagine the street sellers that have to make this every single day. Wow. So if you like what you saw at Luca's Kitchen and you want us to try more foods from around the world, feel free to like and subscribe.
Alright, bye bye.
See you next time.
So Nasi Lemak finished.
Yes, and as always, it's like one of the best rice dishes, I think, in Asia.
This is so good dishes.